Brand new 100% commission system. Free. Can I show you how to start making $50, $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000 using this one simple page? Discover the fastest and easiest way to make life-changing money without having to sell. If you put your name, your best email, and optionally your best phone number, you hit this big button you can't miss. Okay, you go into my funnel and you see why we are the best way to make money online in 2026 and beyond, and make high ticket commissions starting with as little as $50. And we have so many reasons why we are elite, and this is why you want to stay to the end, because of things like this. Okay, why is it not loading? I'm going to scroll back. Of course it's not loading when I want to. Okay, 100% automated commissions. Let your sponsor relax. Never pick up the phone. Yes, we handle all the customer support and questions for you, so you can relax and wake up to $5,000 direct commissions over and over. So if somebody hits you up a message, asks you for your link, you give them your link, or you can give them this number, or you can do both. Okay, they have questions, start asking you questions after they hit the link. Have them call this number. Have them call this number 1-800-771-0769. They'll ask you who referred you. They'll tell you your name, or in my case, they'll say JJ Solley, or you'll say JJ Solley. And any questions you have or your people have, they can talk to. They do all the hard work, selling, telling, coaching, and duplication for you. Okay, so you let your sponsor relax. Imagine our team closing massive big ticket commissions for you. How awesome is that? And I want to show you why you want to listen to us and why you want to stay. One of the main reasons you want to stay to the end, because we have so many reasons why we are the gold standard in making money online, and especially high ticket commissions. Okay, like let's say we go to Google, we search this term right in incognito mode, and you see that I am the number one. My video right here. Okay, actually. Yes, is number one, okay, overall. And also, not only do I have my video ranked number one, but I have an Instagram post and I have a blog post, okay? 3 on page 1 of Google. And I'll show you my YouTube results in just a moment, okay? But you got to stay to the end, and I'll show you, make this more than worth your while, okay? Is that fair enough? Stay to the end. And I'll show you so many reasons why you could start with even $50 and start making $5,000 commissions. What? Do I have your attention? I should. So let's go back to my blog post, okay? Okay. High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 Buyer Psychology. High ticket buyers operate on an entirely different psychological frequency than bargain hunters. They do not want a 20-page sales pitch or a $500-hour video course full of fluff. They value speed, authority, and leverage. They respect systems that respect their time, and they view automated 48-hour content timers as tools that respect their intelligence rather than high-pressure tactics. When they see an automated, highly polished infrastructure that removes friction and delivers clear, direct ROI, they recognize professional competence immediately. Your job is simply to point them towards the gate and let the system prove its worth. High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 Passive SEO Buyer Flow. Passive SEO buyer flow is the ultimate endgame for any serious digital marketer. While paid traffic is powerful, combining it with evergreen search engine optimization, which we show you how to do that elitely here, and more, how to make more money from one of these high ticket commissions. Okay, start buying Bitcoin and get trading at a 90% win rate. Okay, and make more money. Okay, not only can you pay yourself back, but you can start earning more money by putting it in Coinbase. We show you how to do that. Okay. You creates a compounding flood of high intent buyers who are actively searching for solutions to their financial stagnation. When your blog articles and video content rank prominently for terms like high ticket lifestyle review, you attract prospects who are already at the bottom of the funnel, ready to make a purchasing decision. They aren't scrolling out of boredom, they're looking for a way out of the wage trap and search for a trusted guide. That passive flow runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, feeding your capture funnel while you sleep. And I want to show you something real quick. You can work just as hard for one $3,500 or $5,000 commission, but we'll use $3,500 for the sake of argument here. Okay, you see, if you make $20, okay, in your online deal, okay, you have to get 175 $20 sales to make $3,500. Do you see why that's super hard? Not only do you have to get 175 people, okay, to your page, you got to get 175 $20 buyers. And you have to usually have to answer all the questions for those people too. Okay? You may be making $3,500 a month, but you're always working 24/7. Isn't that like a 9 to 5? Or worse? Okay? Or you can relax, start spending time with your loved ones, and work about 2 hours a day, and they could do all the selling, telling for you by calling that 1-800 number. And you do 175 $20 transactions to make $3,500. And again, you could start it for just as little as $50. So, High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2046 Fast Action Blueprint. The Fast Action Blueprint boils down to 3 simple, uncompromising steps. First, secure your entry point at the $50 price level and use production-based passive mechanics or 48-hour upgrade windows to claim your lifetime sovereign position up to diamond. Second, plug your centralized gateway link into high leverage traffic channels, leveraging both short-form video momentum and long-form SEO blog real estate. We teach you how to make short-form videos. We also teach you how to get buyers that are already agreed to spend at least $100 on a home-based business. Okay. Third, step back and let the automated conversion engine 1-800 Sizzline and professional closing teams handle friction while direct peer-to-peer commissions range from $50 to $5,000 flow straight to your account. Okay, they flow into your account. They don't flow into somebody else's account. They go straight to you. Okay, that is huge. You don't have to wait 2 weeks like a 9 to 5, or sometimes if you work for the government, you get paid once a month. Okay, or if you get paid, make sure you. Let's say you get Social Security or disability, okay, once a month. Stop hesitating, stop playing small, and execute the blueprint with absolute conviction. High Ticket Lifestyle Review 2026 FAQ. What is the High Ticket Lifestyle System? The High Ticket Lifestyle System is an advanced digital marketing and direct sales ecosystem designed to help entrepreneurs bypass low-ticket affiliate traps and earn direct paid commissions ranging from $50 to $5,000 across multiple tiers. How do direct paid commissions work? Direct paid commissions eliminate corporate middlemen and merchant accounts holds by utilizing peer-to-peer payment methods. When a customer purchases your link, the funds are paid directly to you instantly how you want it. Whether it's PayPal, Zelle, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, all that. Okay? PayPal, whatever you want to pay. Venmo. Can I start small and earn my way up to diamond? Yes. This is unheard of. You can enter at the $50 price level and use production-based passive mechanics. Generating a higher tier sale allows the surplus to upgrade your account permanently to that tier after just one sale. Okay, I already answered the question about closing yourself, but I want to show you something real quick. Why this is so fucking powerful. Okay, what happens when someone joins at a higher level than you? Okay. Now here, all commissions that affiliate is not qualified for will roll up to the admin, not the next sponsor. Why and how does this make you more money? Because any roll-up commissions will be counted towards your level qualification, allowing you to sell one product and be qualified for that sold product level. Join for the $50 level, then sell a $3,500 level. And the difference of $3,450 to admin will actually qualify you for the gold $3,500 level. Now you paid $50 and the admin fee. Okay, you sold a gold level to somebody that used your link or called your number and gave your name. Okay, now you can make $3,500, $1,500, $500, and $50 commissions over and over and over again. And you only paid $50, sold a $3,500 level, and paid the admin fee. Do I have your attention yet? Rather than the roll-up going to your sponsor and not benefiting you, the roll-up actually gets put towards your high-ticket business qualification, allowing you to move up the levels faster and from only one sale potentially. Important, when we upgrade you, here's a number in yellow, you can read it yourself. The faster you get all in, the sooner you're making all the money, okay? Conversely, if you don't want to miss that $3,500 payment, there's another way to do it super fast, okay? Get upgraded to the next qualified level and earn 100% to 233% commissions. Now, getting where you fit in, if all you got is $50, that's a hell of a way to do it, okay? And it's unheard of. Never have I heard the ability to make $5,000, $3,500, $1,500, $500, or $50, 100% commissions, okay? Without the selling and telling, and get starting for just $50, okay? Join the $50 level, you get no upgrade. Join the $500 level, get no upgrade. Join the $1,500 level, get qualified at $3,500. Now you're probably asking yourself, why, if I could get in for $50, would I pay $1,500? Now, first of all, you get $2,000, okay? If somebody joins at the $3,500 level and you only pay $50, okay? If that's all you have, you still made a hell of a decision, because now you're qualified for the $3,500 level. But you did pass up $3,450. Now, if you have $1,500 plus the admin fee like I did, you joined the $1,500 level, you get qualified at the $3,500 level if you take advantage of the 48-hour bonus. This big, huge button that's impossible to miss, okay? Now you get bumped up to $3,500 level. You don't miss the $3,450. You paid $1,500 plus admin fee. Otherwise $1,695, and you can make $3,500, $1,500, $500, $50, or even $50 over and over again. And then if you get a diamond sale, now you're qualified everywhere. Okay, so that's the difference. Why would you pay $1,500? Because you don't miss $3,450, right? Is that making sense? But again, get in where you fit in. If you have any questions, you can call the number I gave you, right? Never pick up your phone. Have them call 1-800-771-0769, and your people can call that number too. And I want to show you the YouTube results, because it is much harder to rank out Google. Okay, but we're gonna go. You see, I'm in incognito, and real quick before I end this video, I'm gonna show you. I already showed you Google. I'm going to show you YouTube results. These are the type of elite SEO results we get every freaking day. We own programs, okay? Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man a fish, you feed him for a lifetime, okay? We're teaching you elite skills, okay? You see how I am the number, that's a sponsored ad. They paid money to get that ad. Number one is a video from 6 hours ago. That's me, okay? There's another video from Make Money On with JJ. Another video from Make Money On with JJ. That's 3 so far, okay? That's another one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My channel, okay? 11, 12. Do you get the picture? Okay? This is why we own SEO on Google and YouTube, okay? And we teach you the elite skills because we're not afraid to teach you things other so-called sponsors don't teach you. Other so-called uplines, they either don't know it, okay, or they're scared to teach you because you won't need their money anymore. You can already rank your videos, rank your blogs, rank your posts, okay, and can't nobody stop you, okay? Okay, now I'll go to this right here. Okay, high ticket lifestyle review. Okay, what is the do I need to make phone calls? I already covered that, okay? No, you don't. They call the 800 number. How does SEO fit in the business model? Integrating search engine optimization through dedicated review blogs capture high-intent organic traffic from Google and YouTube, which I showed you. Delivering passive, ready-to-buy leads straight to your capture page around the clock. Okay, this is my high-ticket lifestyle review 2024 brutal profit secrets. Okay. Click the link or check the comment section below right now to access the full operational breakdown, secure your position, and execute your escape from the wage trap today. Okay? Do you really want to be retiring at, say, 70? Okay? How old are you now? Retire at 70 and make 40% of what you can't make work now. Okay? Does that make sense? 40%. You can't make it work now. How are you going to make it work when you're making 40%? With your so-called retirement, and now you're too tired to even enjoy your life. Does that make sense? This is JJ Solley, aka John Solley, aka your Friendly neighborhood Solley man, don't delay, get with Jada today. Peace.